Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind, the laziest ways to make money online. If you've ever dreamed of earning cash while lounging on your couch or sipping coffee at your favorite cafe, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore various passive income methods that require minimal effort but can yield impressive results. From affiliate marketing to print-on-demand services, we'll break down each method, making it easy for you to find the perfect fit for your lifestyle. We know that the hustle and grind can be exhausting, so why not discover ways to let your money work for you instead? We'll also share some real-life examples and tips to help you get started on your journey to financial freedom without the usual stress. Imagine waking up to find money in your account while you were busy binge-watching your favorite series. So, if you're ready to learn how to make money with minimal effort and maximize your free time, stick around. This video is packed with valuable insights that could change your financial future. Let's jump right in and uncover the laziest ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and laziest ways to earn money online, and it's all about promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Essentially, you partner with a company, share their products with your audience, and when someone makes a purchase using your link, you get paid. It's a win-win situation. One of the most popular affiliate programs is Amazon Associates, where you can promote millions of products available on Amazon. Another great option is ClickBank, which specializes in digital products like ebooks and online courses. Both platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and a wide range of products to choose from, making it easy to get started. To maximize your earnings in affiliate marketing, it's crucial to choose the right niche. Focus on a specific area that you're passionate about or have expertise in, whether it's fitness, technology, or beauty. This not only makes it easier to create content but also helps you connect with an audience that trusts your recommendations. By selecting a niche that resonates with you and your audience, you can effortlessly promote products that align with their interests, allowing you to earn money while doing what you love. So, why not give affiliate marketing a try? It could be your ticket to a more relaxed income stream. Online surveys. If you're looking for a simple and lazy way to make some extra cash, participating in online surveys might be the perfect option for you. Many companies are eager to hear your opinions on their products and services, and they're willing to pay for it. Reputable survey sites like Swagbucks and SurveyJunkie make it easy to get started. These platforms connect you with surveys that match your profile, allowing you to share your thoughts and earn rewards in return. The potential earnings from online surveys can vary, but many users report making anywhere from a few dollars to over $100 a month, depending on how much time they invest. Most surveys take anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes to complete, so you can easily fit them into your daily routine, whether you're waiting in line or relaxing at home. While online surveys won't make you rich overnight, they can provide a nice little side income with minimal effort. Plus, it's a great way to voice your opinions on products you already use. So why not give it a shot? Sign up for Swagbucks or Survey Junkie today and start earning money just by sharing your thoughts. Your opinions are valuable, and now they can pay off. Cashback apps. If you love shopping and want to earn some easy money back on your purchases, cashback apps are the way to go. These apps allow you to get a percentage of your spending returned to you, making your shopping experience not only enjoyable but also rewarding. Popular cashback apps like Rakuten and Ibotta have made it incredibly simple for users to earn money while they shop. Using these apps is a breeze. With Rakuten, you can browse through a wide range of retailers, click on the store you want to shop at, and make your purchase directly through the app. Once your order is confirmed, you'll earn cashback that can be paid out via check or PayPal. Similarly, Ibotta allows you to earn cashback on groceries and everyday items by scanning your receipts after shopping. The best part? You don't need to change your shopping habits significantly. Whether you're buying clothes, groceries, or household items, you can easily earn money back on purchases you would make anyway. The ease of use and potential savings make cashback apps a fantastic option for anyone looking to add a little extra cash to their wallet. So, why not download Rakuten or Ibotta today and start earning money back on your everyday purchases? It's a win-win. Selling digital products. If you're looking for a lazy income stream that can generate money while you sleep, selling digital products is an excellent option. Digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, printables, and stock photos, require an initial investment of time and effort to create, but once they're done, they can provide ongoing income with minimal maintenance. For example, if you have expertise in a particular area, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy. Alternatively, if you enjoy writing, consider publishing an ebook on Amazon Kindle. Both of these options allow you to reach a wide audience without the hassle of physical inventory or shipping. Creating and selling digital products is easier than you might think. Platforms like Etsy allow you to set up a shop and list your digital downloads, while Udemy provides tools to help you create and market your courses. Once your products are live, you can sit back and watch the sales roll in, as customers purchase your creations at any time. The potential for passive income is one of the biggest draws of selling digital products. After the initial effort of creating your product, you can continue to earn money without having to actively work for it. So, if you're ready to turn your knowledge or creativity into cash, consider diving into the world of digital products. Print on demand. If you're looking for a low-effort business model that allows you to earn money while expressing your creativity, print on demand might be the perfect fit for you. This innovative approach lets you design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without the hassle of inventory or upfront costs. Platforms like Redbubble and Teespring make it incredibly easy to get started. Here's how it works. You create unique designs and upload them to these platforms. When someone orders a product featuring your design, the platform handles the printing, shipping, and customer service. You simply earn a commission on each sale, allowing you to focus on what you love, creating art. One of the best aspects of print on demand is the creative freedom it offers. You can experiment with different designs, styles, and products without the risk of financial loss. Since there are minimal upfront costs, you can start your business with little to no investment. This model is perfect for artists, designers, or anyone with a flair for creativity. So why not explore your artistic side while earning money? Dive into the world of print on demand, and you might just find a fulfilling way to turn your passion into profit. Start designing today and watch your ideas come to life. Conclusion. As we wrap up this video, let's quickly recap the lazy money-making methods we've explored together. We discussed affiliate marketing, where you can earn commissions by promoting products. Online surveys, which allow you to share your opinions for cash. Cashback apps that give you money back on everyday purchases. Selling digital products like ebooks and online courses, and the creative world of print on demand, where you can design and sell custom items without upfront costs. The key takeaways here are that making money online doesn't have to be a grind. With these methods, you can earn passive income while enjoying your free time. Whether you choose to dive into affiliate marketing or explore your artistic side with print on demand, there's something for everyone to consider trying. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, we'd love for you to engage with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and share it with friends who might also be interested in lazy income ideas. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.